Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about remote backend developer jobs. We're not talking about just any remote gig, but rather high-paying opportunities that let you work from anywhere in the world. So hit that subscribe button, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to land one of these roles. First, let's talk about why remote backend development is such a big deal right now. It's because backend developers are now expected to handle the full life cycle of development. We're talking business logic, database management, deployment, monitoring, all of it. And companies are tapping into talent pools worldwide to scale faster than ever before. Backend development is a high-value skill because it powers everything we rely on: the servers, the databases, and the APIs. Every e-commerce platform, every mobile app, every cloud-native microservice needs skilled backend engineers. And because backend work is less visible and harder to debug than front-end, it often pays significantly more. You might be leading code reviews, automated testing, owning deployment strategies, ensuring high availability. That means fewer candidates are ready for it, which translates to premium pay for those who are. On an average, remote backend developers globally make around $72,000 per year. And if you specialize in niche areas like Web3, fintech, or AI integration, you can command even more. So what does it actually take to land these high-paying roles? Let's break down the essential technical skills for you. First up, programming languages. You need to be proficient in at least one major backend language. Many startups and established companies are especially looking for engineers who can build using Golang or Java. Next, you need to know both SQL and NoSQL databases like PostgreSQL, MySQL, MongoDB, and Cassandra. You also need to understand query optimization, database clustering, handling legacy systems, and proper load balance. Third, cloud and DevOps fundamentals. Remote backend roles expect familiarity with AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Understanding infrastructure as code, Docker, Kubernetes, CI/CD pipelines, and build automation are also crucial. Fourth, API development and integration. You'll be building RESTful services or GraphQL APIs. You need to know how to integrate with external APIs, manage versioning, handle JSON and XML data. Understanding HTTP protocols, middleware solutions, and proper error handling is also essential. Finally, distributed systems and scalability. When serving millions of users, understanding microservices architecture is key. Add to that, event-driven architecture, queue management tools like Kafka, incident management, and security protocols. I know that's quite a lot, but these are your absolute baseline skills for competing globally. Now let's talk about the specializations that can really boost your earning potential. Web3 backend development offers $160K average salary for expertise in distributed ledgers and blockchain APIs. AI backend integration requires engineers to deploy models, build pipelines, and create APIs for large language models. Fintech backend roles require building secure, compliant, and globally scalable payment infrastructure. So you now know what's out there. But how do you actually find these jobs and get hired? Step 1. Stop looking for remote jobs in wrong places. Generic job boards simply waste your time. We may be biased, but signing up for our free Remote Job Central newsletter can be your best choice. And of course, you don't have to take our word for granted. Please see our reviews. Step 2. Recruiters actively search LinkedIn, so make yourself findable. Load your profile with relevant keywords. Step 3. Your resume needs to communicate value quickly. Recruiters spend less than 6 seconds on initial screening. For technical roles, your portfolio matters enormously. GitHub repositories with clean code prove your capabilities. Step 4. Thoughtful cover letters differentiate you from other candidates. Research the company, mention why their mission excites you. All right, let's wrap this up. The competition is global, but the opportunities are absolutely real. Remote backend jobs pay well if you have the right skills, discipline, and dedication to learn. What's your thoughts on this? Please share it in the comments below. Sign up for our free Remote Jobs newsletter to get exclusive access to curated remote listings directly in your email inbox. Stay informed and explore resources like our Remote Jobs Central blog for the latest information about remote jobs. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for your time watching this so far. I'll see you on the other one. Take care.